Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this Twisty's cube. Twisty's cube is twisty version of cube. So it is twisted. So there are center, corners and edges. So edges have two colors, or rather centers have two colors. So this has blue single color only, this has two colors, so red and green. So all these centers have two colors, and it is shapeshifter, so it gives some challenge. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it has scrambled properly. So the first step is to fix the corners. So normally in cube we fix the corners first. So this is white, green and red. So we need another green over here. So this is that corner which we need to fix it. So this is the second corner. Now we have to fix the third corner which has green color, so orange. So orange color is here. So this is also fixed, and this is last corner. So this is the first step to fix the corners. Similarly in this case also we have to fix the corners first. So first we have to check whether any of the corners are there on top. So we have one corner that is white, blue and red, so we can fix it over here. Now we need to find another corner which has red color. So red is here, so white and red and green. So this is the corner which will fix here. So this is the second corner. Now third should have green color, so that is this corner. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this on different side, and now we'll turn this, and now we can fix it. So it is very intuitive, so I'm not going to detail. And the last corner is this. So now we can see all our corners are fixed. Now next step is to fix the centers of second layer. So let's say this is red will come here. So normally what we do is we do down, down, up, up, and this is fixed. And whenever we swap these two centers, these two centers right and left will also swap. So now the next is yellow. So yellow is already on top, but we need to first swap with any of the unsolved centers. So we'll swap with blue. So down, down, up, up. Okay, so blue is now on top. Now we have to fix this blue into its original position. So once we swap these two, yellow and red will also swap. So here it will come yellow and here it will come red. So it is down, down, up, up. So now you can see these two are also swapped. Now this is orange, so we have to place this orange into its correct position. So down, down, up, up. So orange is placed, but these two are swapped. But don't worry, now we have to fix the red. Will swap this two, and this two will also swap, and it will be into its correct position. So down, down, up, up. So now we can see all centers are placed properly. So in this case also, this is our red and green center which will fix here. So first we need to check whether it will fix from here or it will fix from this side. So from this side it will not fix, so it will fix from this side. So it is down from left side, down, down, up, up. So now we can see this is placed. Now we have to see, this is the another center, that is blue and red. So blue and red will place here. So first we'll see whether it will fix from this side. No, it will not fix from this side. So we'll check from this side. So this will fix. So it is down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. Now we have to again swap this with yellow with any of the unsolved corner, because we have 1, 2, 3 centers which are unsolved. So we'll have to swap with any of the unsolved center. So down, down, up, up. Okay, so now we have blue and orange. So blue and orange will fix here. So let's see if we fix, it will fix from this side. So it is down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. Now we have to see which one is on top. So this is orange and green. Orange and green is on top, and that will fix over here. So it will fix from this side. So it is down, down, up, up. So this is placed. Now we have to see whether, which one is on top. This is blue and red. So blue and red will fix over here. So it will not fix from right side, so it will fix from this side. So it is down, down, up, up. So this is placed. Now we can see we have 2 centers which are unsolved and 2 centers which are solved. So we'll keep unsolved center on front and back, and we'll do this algorithm 2 times. Down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. Now we can see we have 1 center which is solved and 3 centers are unsolved. So the solved center will keep it in back side, and unsolved centers are on right hand side, front and left. And we'll do the same algorithm 2 times. Down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. So now we can see it is solved. I'll show you one more case. Okay, this is one more case wherein you will find 2 unsolved centers are next to each other. So, and 2 centers are solved which are next to each other. So in this case what you can do is you can keep 1 center in front and 1 center in right, and you can do this algorithm 2 times. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So now we can see you will have a situation where 1 center is unsolved and 3 centers are solved. So the unsolved center should be in front, and all solved centers will be in right, left and back, and we'll do the same algorithm 2 times. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So now you will have a situation wherein one center is solved and two centers are unsolved. So sorry, two centers are solved and two centers are unsolved, and now we'll have to keep this unsolved centers in front and back and solved centers in right and left, and we'll have to do the same algorithm. So we have to keep this corner yellow side on left and this side should be on back, and these two corners should be like this. So this should be on left top and this is front right, and this yellow should be facing left and this yellow should be facing back, and this unsolved center will be in front and back. And now we'll have to do this algorithm two times: down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, so now we have a situation where you will find three centers which are unsolved, 1 2 3, and one center which is solved. So solved center will be in back and unsolved centers are front, right and left, and we'll have to do the same algorithm again. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. So now we can see all our centers are solved. Now we have to fix the top corners. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to keep this centers are in this position. I mean one corner should be on top left and one corner should be on right front, and this yellow side should facing left and this yellow side should facing back. And we'll do this algorithm down, down, up, up, 1, down, down, up, up, 2, again down, down, up, up, 3 times, down, down, up, up, 4 times. So now you can see this is the ideal situation wherein all centers are solved. Now we have to fix the top corners. So what we'll do is we'll have a headlight, two yellow side, this is called headlight, and what we'll do is we'll keep this two yellow side on right hand side, and this should be in front and this should be on back. And now we'll do the same algorithm down, down, up, up 4 times, and the cube will be solved. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, 4 times, down, down, up, up, and cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.